Hello YouTube! I am here today and making a short little update on my project car, long-term project car. This is the Citroen ID 19 that's been around since 1971, and I'm making it step by step, bringing this baby back to life. As you can see, I stripped everything out of it. It's the ambulance model with 3 bench seats in the back and 3 facing towards that again. Well, a little update on the motor that is here. It's been taken apart since it ran kind of roughly and has been sitting for 30 years. This is all my nice parts that are ready to be replaced, renewed, checked, and ready to tackle on. This is the gearbox unit. Let's get this thing to sharpen up. Let's see here, like that. Brake calipers. This has been roughly cleaned up a little bit. Yeah, I also have the normal Citroen ID problem. That's, of course, the seal is leaking through this shaft here. This is the shaft for the distributor, and it leaks oil in the ring here and contaminates the clutch, of course, and makes that all slippery, sloppery, and bad. So that's gone, and let's take it out. I split off the head, as you can see here. The cause of the rough running, pretty obvious, but it's this one rod here that's badly bent. Rest of them are good. The cause of that, I'm not absolutely sure, but I do suspect that water has gotten into cylinder number 3. As you can see in here, it's pretty corroded. That tells me that there's been water in there compared to this one. There is yeah, that's pretty much my theory. The oil back in the day, I don't know if it turned acidic or if it just broke down over the age of the course. This is, yeah, more or less 30 years old oil, and look at it. Just look at this mess inside the bottom here. Look at it. It's like crudded all up, nasty. It's really a thick coat. I can feel good resistance pulling this through here. Yeah, it's just, you'll never drain this out. It's like paste, you know. That's how the filter is almost clogged up. Still I don't think it's metal shavings, because I can't see anything obvious. But what I think happened is that the oil turned acidic and ate up the head gasket here on a few spots, and took the material of the head gasket, the places which has corroded away here in between. All this material has deteriorated and settled at the bottom of the sump, creating this sludge here, which is black and aluminium color, exactly the same color as the gasket. Well, that's my little update here. I'll be back after a good cleanup, and hopefully we're getting something done here. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you later.